What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Xbox AMP error code 0x80073cfb. Try the update again, sorry, something went wrong on a PC. So for many users, when they're trying to launch the Xbox app, they end up in having this particular trouble. So how we can fix this? So let me directly get into a step. So the first and foremost step is all about, we just need to run the gaming service repair tool. So you can just copy this particular one, that is gaming service repair tool. So just go to your Google Chrome. Now from here in the Google Chrome, we have to search here for game service repair tool. Now once you go for the search, you'll be getting this particular site, that is official Xbox site. Click on this particular one. Now from here, what we need to do is, we just need to scroll down. There is an option called downloadable version. Click on this one. Now scroll down a little bit and you can see download the gaming service repair tool. Select this one. So what happens is a .exe will be downloaded and you have to click on this one and run this. Now you have to run this particular one, go for yes. So this particular step is going to take a little bit of time, because it is going to implement this, which is going to take a lot of time. So what you need to do is, we just need to wait this to completely done. So it might take around 2 to 3 minutes for some users, but for some users it will hardly take around 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So right now they're asking you to retry your actions and verify that it works now. Did it fix your issue? So now afterwards it's completely successfully done. Or you can just wait for this completely done. You have to close everything over here. Then you have to check. And still if you're having the trouble, we just need to run a few commands in the command prompt. Sorry, not in the command prompt, but in the PowerShell. So the first command is this one, which I'll be providing in the video description. Just copy this. Now from here you have to just search here for PowerShell. Now run it as an administrator. Go for yes. Now copy and paste this first command, press enter. You have to press enter, so which is going to take a little bit of time. And also parallelly, afterwards we have to run this particular command, that is we are installing the gaming services. So just copy and paste this, press enter. So now it is going to open the Microsoft Store. Now from the Microsoft Store we have to download this particular one, that is we have to download this. So go for yes.